Hidden inside of a forest at the edge of Bucharest lies a mysterious body of water called the Witch's Pond. This is the supposed location of the beheading of Vlad Tepes, more commonly known as Vlad the Impaler. Despite the ordinary appearance, people say the patch of water is surrounded by forces from other worlds, and often unexplainable events occur in this place. The story goes that the pool became famous amongst gypsy witches as the power of the pond is transmitted from generation to generation amongst the witches who gather around it close to important holidays. It is said that every spell or curse said on the pond's shore comes true. Locals say they've seen strange phenomena around the pond, such as globular lightning or sudden storms that occur only over the pond. Various animals, such as horses, cattle, sheep, goats, dogs, and cats, refuse to drink from here, preferring just to die of thirst. In the olden days, pregnant women would swim in the pond if they did not want to bring the child to term. The pond, which has a depth of only 1.5 meters, never dries up nor decreases in size, even if there is drought or abundant rain. According to the legends, the lake also seems to not have a bottom. Debris from an earthquake was dumped into the pond only to have disappeared the next day. Getting to the pond was a bit taxing, and there were several feral dogs that were less than friendly. Once there, I noticed the water was absolutely black and perfectly still. I was more afraid of the dogs than the witches, but that may be because I didn't see any witches, but found several dogs. Oh hush. Hey. Hush. Hush. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Hush. Hey. Hey. Hush. Come here. Lastly, I did have one major negative event while visiting the Witch's Pond.
Well, I made it out, didn't get bit by any dogs, but that shit. 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 From what kind of animal or person? I don't know. But I got it on my hands too, and I don't have any soap. And water just doesn't quite do the trick with shit. So yeah, not too thrilled. It's pretty fucking nasty. I'm really looking forward to finding some sort of bathroom with some soap, or some sort of whatever with some soap, and yeah, washing my fucking shit off. Literally. I guess not my shit, but washing this shit off. Literally.